Just like alkane, alkene, and alkyne, right? We just add a functional group into it, and that's it. All right, first of all, so in alkane, so for example, 5 carbon, we call pentane. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon alcohol, we call pentanol. So we remove E and add OL. Yep. So pentane, pentanol. So you can do 1 pentanol, pentane, 1 ol, but we can omit 1. Cyclopentane. Right, so we have cyclopentanol. Yeah, in the ring, the functional group is always at position 1, so you don't have to add 1 in here. Okay. Step 2, again, the parent chain, just like alkene and alkyne, have to contain the functional group, and the only functional group right now is a hydroxyl group, which is an OH group, right? On alkene, there's no functional group. You can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, so 3 methyl, 7 is heptane. 3-methyl heptane. But in alcohol, you can't count that. You have to include an OH group on the alcohol. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right, so only 6 carbon, not 7. We have an ethyl group at position 2, so we go 2 ethyl. 6, that's hexanol. Okay, 1 hexanol or hexane, 1 ol, whatever. So, or we can just omit it. It's fine. Either one works. All right, number 3, the hydroxyl have to receive the lowest number, right? The lowest number possible. If there's a case that they have double bond, triple bond, the hydroxyl group gets priority, and the priority goes like this. So with alcohol, number 1 priority, alkyne and alkene. If there's a carboxylic acid, aldehyde, ketone, that's a priority there, but we're not getting to this. Okay. All right, so alcohol have to receive the lowest number. So we have to start from the left side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 7. You can't go up. You're going to go right here. So have to include alkene on the parent chain. We'll see what we got. Methyl group. So there are 3 of them, 1, 2, and 3 at position 5, 5, and 6. So we go 5, 5, 6. Tri. Don't forget tri. Methyl. This is 7 carbon. It's going to be hept. Right, 7 carbon. Now, alkene at position 6, so we go 6-ene. And then alcohol at position 2, we go 2 ol. 2, not 1, 2 ol. So that's wrong. That's 6-ene, 2 ol. Okay, so 5,5,6 trimethyl hept, which means 7 carbon. Put alkene at position 6 and alcohol at position 2, not 1, this is 2. Okay, all right. Let's practice together right here. So what we got, look at this stereochemistry. So we just ignore it for now. I usually just ignore, make things easy. So now let's count the parent chain. So 1, 2, and 3. Alcohol has to have the lowest number. We have a chloro at position 2, so 2 chloro. A phenyl group at position 3, so 3 phenyl. And alcohol at position 1, so this is 3 carbon chain, so 3 is propanol. Propane, 1 ol. All right, so 2 chloro, 3 phenyl, propanol. You can omit 1, it's fine. All right, last one, the stereochemistry. So we have to do prioritize the group on this carbon. So chlorine number 1, no doubt. Carbon number 2, and carbon that connects to phenyl group, that position that's 3. Hydrogen point to the front, so watch out. All right, so we go looks like S, so this is R. Okay, so we go R at position 2, so we go 2R, 2 chloro, 3 phenyl, propane, 1 ol, propanol. All right, next one, same thing. I'm going to ignore the dash, the stereochemistry in a bit, and let's say what we got. Oh, we got alkene too, so you have to include alkene in the ring. Let's see, so alcohol need to have position 1, have the highest priority. So alcohol 1, that's carbons 1. So 2, 3. We don't go the other way, otherwise the alkene gonna have higher number. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, then 4 and 5. All right, so we go 2 methyl groups on 4. So we go 4 dimethyl. This is parent chain is a cyclopent, so 5 carbon. So cyclopent. And it's ene, cyclopentene. Ene at positions 2, so 2-ene, and then 1 ol. So we can do 1 ol or just ol there. All right, 4 dimethyl cyclopentene, pent 2-enol. What else we got? We got all right. The stereochemistry. So this carbon here, oxygen is priority number 1. Alkene, carbon alkene, that's number 2. Methyl up here is number 3. hydrogen, which is the lowest one, point to the front. So you have to flip the configuration right here. So 1, 2, and 3. This is R. Flip it to S. Okay. So S at position 1. So we go 1S, 4,4 dimethyl cyclopent 2-enol. Okay. Or you can do 4,4 dimethyl 2 cyclopentenol. It works. Either way works. All right, that's the name. So so this for some small alcohols, we people used to use a common name, right? And let's take a look here. So this guy propane 2-ol, but we just call isopropanol. So branch out at the end, right? We have third butyl alcohol. So that's third butyl group. This is allylic position, right? So this is allyl alcohol. This is benzyl alcohol. Okay, this is benzyl. Be aware, so that's not phenyl. Phenyl is just a benzene ring. Once a benzene ring plus 1 carbon, that's benzyl. We have benzylic position right here. Okay, so we have phenol, and this you must know. So this so this from phenyl. So we call phenol, and yeah, we're gonna play with phenol quite a bit. Okay, so I like name of the phenol. So what we got here. So so we have a nitro group. We have a chlorine. Okay, this is phenol. Like the whole group is phenol, right? So the carbon number 1 is going to be at the carbon that connects to the OH group, the functional group. So 1, and when you go to the right here, down here, so past nitro group, so 2, 3, and 4. All right, so we got chlorine C and nitro is N, so C comes first. So we go 4 chloro. Not 3. Oh no, that's wrong again. What's happened to me today? So 4 chloro, not 3. 2 nitro, and that's it, phenol. Okay, so 4, not 3, 4 chloro, 2 nitro, and phenol. All right, that's about the name. All right, let me introduce a new segment of our podcast, make things more interesting. All right, so I'm not gonna explain what Tinder is. Most people know. Well, if you don't know, just briefly. So it's an online dating site where that's how kids these days meet people. They don't meet in person anymore. So if you like what you see, you swipe right. If you don't like what you see, you swipe left. And if the person swipe right on you too, they become a match, and you can start talking basically, right? And you can imagine the conversation on Tinder. It's gonna be flirty. It's gonna be funny. It's gonna be heartbroken. It could be a lot of things, right? I follow, so this is a real conversation, but I follow this Instagram site. So they call Tinder Nightmares. So they just post like a funny conversation on Tinder. For example, on a scale of 1 to America, how free are you tonight? North Korea. I don't think they have a date. So anyway, so you can follow them on Tinder Nightmares on Instagram, and you will see all this kind of funny conversation on Tinder. Right? So I have a lot more, but wait for it. All right, keep going further. Next video.